Okay, hi everyone. Now I will continue the task 2. I asked to build a simulink based on the task given, which is I need to build this simulation. So here we are my simulation. As we can see, like there is like additional pool, which is we can customize it based on the task given, which is there is pool 1, pool 2 and pool 3. And here is we can see like transfer pool. And okay, here we go, we start. We just move on to the pool 1, which is we can get the result as shown in the table that I construct uh, based on my task given. And there is like a few result that we will get from it, which is final value, peak value, the percentage of OS, ESS, TR, TS and TP. So here is the graph from the pool 1. Okay, as we can see, we got under dam system. You can see we got the peak value here and the TP value. Okay, we move on to the pole 2, which is, wait, we scroll first. Pole 2 is 1 over S plus 50. Okay, we make it. Okay, dah besar sikit. Okay, in the pole 2, as we can see, here is the critical dam. We got the value, TP value, TR value, which is we have to minus both of these two value so we can get the TP in the middle here. Then from the graph given, we will get it is like a critical dam here. Okay, move on to the additional poultry. Okay, additional poultry, customize a little bit for the poultry. Okay, as we can see from the graph, we will get the values, the finals values, and we can see here is the real one, real, and also the input given. And here is the TR value, which is we minus the value, the greater value, and minus with lesser value. Okay, here we can get the value of x and y from the graph. So okay, we move on to the question part. As you guys for those values I've taken from the task given, you guys can check out all of it from the table to make it easier. Okay, move on to the task questions. Okay, from your observation, what is the difference between result with and without additional polls? Explain to your instructor. Okay, the difference is between the result produced with and without extra pole is the type of temporal response produced from the additional pole. This is because after adding an extra transfer function, the system's pole shift, resulting in distinct set of responses. So for B, how additional poles affect your system performance? Explain to your instructor. Okay, the system's rise time is slow when an extra pole is added to the left half S-plane LPH. The inclusion of 0 in the right half S-plane RPH delays the process substantially more than the insertion of a pole in the left half S-plane LPH. Okay, the C question is identify the system for the each additional pole. Explain to your instructor. Okay, for the pole 1 is undamped system. Okay, undamped system in okay, based on the graph P1. Oh, this is the task. Okay, P1 based on the graph. In this case, the poles are purely imaginary. Therefore, the system is marginally stable and the step response uh, oscillates indefinitely. Okay, for the pole 2, which is like critical damp, for a conical second order system, the quickest settling time is achieved when the system is critically damped. For the pole 2 is overdamped system. Both poles are real and negative, therefore the system is stable and does not oscillate. So we can see from here. This is the results of the experiments given, yeah. Okay, that's all for my task. I hope you guys can ask like more questions to me. Okay, thank you.